Welcome to the War Digital TV. To start with, we have to continue our efforts to drive the country. COVID-19 pandemic has brought fast-tracking digital transformation in most of the companies. Let's see to it. Novel coronavirus has forced many around the world to rethink about our daily lives from work to school to entertainment. It has been imperative to digitally transform our places of work and education to be able to operate effectively. Those companies which are able to use technology well to keep going and rethink their business model for the future. Let's see how it impacts the industry. By fast-tracking digital transformation will be the ones ahead of their competition. The whole country is in corona crisis, but IT corporates and partners are working from home to drive the transformation, and at the same time CIOs are under pressure to transform into digital business. Let's see how technology empowers the industry. When we will see the overall spectrum, all business systems continue to function. The stock trading system continues as it is. All hospitals are functioning because of websites and softwares. ATM software is working around the clock to keep it running smoothly. The most important part is the internet, and phone services are running because of the software that IT people manage. There are millions of mobile apps that are in use every day because of IT. You get uninterrupted updates on all the news channels because of the software. All entertainment channels are functional because of the softwares. Social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. are functioning effectively today because of IT people. The most important thing is, while you work from home, you are with your family. You have seen your kids are able to learn online because of IT. Because of IT people, pharmaceutical software and running and the laboratory test reports are made available and managed by IT research software. The software that manages the power grid is also maintained by IT. To sum up, there is nothing in today's world that does not require computers and softwares. We at War India salutes all the IT people who are working day and night behind the scene from home to ensure business continuity. They also deserve a big salute. We have been seeing the world has affected with the pandemic. Business across the board are rethinking their strategies as global economy is shaping towards COVID-19 and anticipating on a huge market shift. The damage caused by COVID-19 is not confined to only select pockets of business, but it is a widespread malady that is expected to keep economy sick at a longer time. The extent of the impact is difficult to quantify as the sales are expected to hit further. I hope you are staying safe. Lastly, I would say we can always rebuild the economy together. With this, I wish you must give your valuable comments either by like, share or tweet. Thank you and have a nice day.